Hi everyone, in today's easy tutorial I'm going to show you how to delete YouTube channel. It's a very simple process, so let's just dive into it. So on your YouTube homepage, select your profile icon from the top right corner, and here go over settings and click on it, and then on the left side menu select advanced settings, and here select delete channel. So you need to write down your Gmail password here and then simply click on next. And here select I want to permanently delete my content, and let's check these boxes and let's click on delete my content, and you need to write down your channel name here. To do that, just simply copy from here and select delete my content to delete your account. And that's basically how to delete your YouTube channel. If you found this video helpful, tap the like and subscribe buttons to help others to find this video as well. Thank you for watching.